Thomas was still feeling sad on the time on how he tried to get to Timothy. The next morning, Thomas told Gorton everything about Timothy. Gorton didn't seem very pleased.
Ghost train? Almost looks like you? With a monocle face like a devil? Pah! Just remember, little Thomas, if I just saw a ghost, I'd probably just scare it away. This is not a real engine to you. It's just your imagination. Even with all this Timothy, whatever nonsense you're making, whatever the jokes comes to me, pah! I'm an important engine, Thomas, and I don't have time to boop around at things that go in the morning. Good day.
He was sad that Gorton didn't believe him, but Thomas wanted to be alone. Now Gorton doesn't believe me now.
Help! I can't stop! My brakes are still on! Help!
Oh no, Diesel 10. Come on, Annie and Clarabel, stay here and I'll be back.
Oh great, here we go again.
Diesel 10, wait!
Thomas, what are you doing?
Hold tight!
Why are you doing this, Thomas, after all the things I've done to you?
Because you explained everything to me and I want to make things right.
Oh, sure, because you're trying to save the day.
Diesel 10, if you don't stop the train, you'll cause a crash. You have to trust me.
Okay, Thomas, I trust you.
Whoa! Whoa, what's going on, Toad? It looks like Mr. Thomas and Mr. Diesel 10 are heading towards the unfinished buffers. Stop, you two! Stop!
Keep going, Thomas. We're doing it. Come on. I'm trying. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you.